Hi guys, told you I bought this in the charity shop. It's a mechanical frog. Not quite sure how it works. I thought it was some sort of soap dispenser, but you actually put the battery in here. We did try it in the shop and it didn't work. Well, it does say on off. Turn it that way, yeah. Let's try a fresh battery. See what happens. Not a lot happening there. The on-off switch is very simple. It's just this piece of copper there, and it should be making contact. I say copper, it's probably brass. There's a bit of brass just there. Let's move that light round so we can get some light on it. Right, torch. Okay, you can possibly see that brass plate in there. So that's what's supposed to make contact with that. So it might be as simple as it's not making contact, or I might have to take it all apart anyway. Looking at it, I assume there's an electric motor in there. That would be fairly logical with a battery. And I think that's a disc or a cam that turns round like that. That little peg, because that's going round, is going up and, well, I say up and down. It'll be going round, and that'll be pushing this whole plastic assembly backwards and forwards, which will make the legs go in and out. And I think because these are angled like this, it will be one of those ones where it will tend to go forwards. Let's have another go, see if we can get this to fire up. Which way's that got to be? Down like that. Oh, yeah. There we go. Bit noisy. Sorry about the noise. It looks like we can still take it apart, just a couple of screws there with a bit of luck. There we are. So we've got motor at the front. I'll have to another 4 screws in there, I should think. Yeah, motor at the front, reduction gear. Oh, several reduction gears. It'll be on there. Yeah, and that spinning round. As I say, there'll be a plastic cam there with that little peg sticking out. Yeah, that's a square peg there. That's what's turning the plastic. The green plastic can that's on the other side of there. I love this. I love ones like this. Good mechanical motion. That one probably goes on there, so the small gear turns the big gear. And then where does this one go? I reckon probably under there. No, that's not going to be right. How about, that's got to be there. That could be on there. Yeah, that makes more sense. That's the one that's turned by the gear, crown gear on the, no, it's not crown gear, is it? Pinion gear on the motor. That turns that one turns that one, and then the one under there turns that one. I'm not going to do it, but for 50p that's a nice set of gears anyway. So I could just scrap it for the gears. Right, can we get in there? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's not fair. That's not screw holes in there. This guy must be glued together. Don't know if you can see that. Those are blind holes there. There's no screws in them. They just line up with those pegs. So we could get it apart. Ooh. I think what we could do is we could just put some oil in there. Yeah, I'll go and get some oil. Right, a little bit of oil on there. That's a bit better, isn't it? So, can we get it back together? With a bit of luck. Okay, apart from my hands being in the way, let's put the screws back in. I did make a crawler bot that's very, very loosely something like this. I'll put a link in the video description to my crawler bots. It's got a thing that goes round and it moves 2 legs. Oh, I love that. That little peg on top there makes me think there's supposed to be something on his back. I wonder what. I wonder if it could be something like a fly on a spring or something like that. Still, that's it. Job done. Just trying it on some carpet, see if it's got a better grip. Before we put it away, I ought to just show how these wheels give it its forwards motion. You can probably see it's in a angled slot there. So as the leg, let's see which way, as it pushes back, that will drive that wheel up. Yeah, that's right, that'll drive the wheel up and it will actually jam itself at the top, so it locks, and then as the leg goes forwards, that will actually push it the other way, so it freewheels. So as the leg pushes back, it pushes up and locks. So it pushes the bodywork forwards, and then as the leg goes forwards, that releases it, so it freewheels. I don't know if that makes any sense. Can I even demonstrate it? Push back, yeah, locks, go forwards, freewheel.